my very old friend and younger brother, Honorable Dr. Rajen Prasad, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am greatly humbled and honored to be asked to say a few words at this gracious function of Deepavali, a festival of lights. Before I say further, ladies and gentlemen, I would say Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Ni Sambol. A triumph of good over evil. Aside from Hinduism and other religions that celebrate this festival are Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. Whatever faith, your faith, you can join the festival of lights. Deepavali has become a popular festival all over the world, wherever the Indian community have now migrated and settled permanently. Amongst them, ladies and gentlemen, Fiji is one small country where Deepavali has been celebrated for the last 130 years. It is the country out of India which has a public holiday for the last 32 years. And Deepavali is celebrated with a lot of spirit, enthusiasm by all the communities, including our Fijian brethren. I am very proud to be a Fijian. And the Fiji Indians preserve their culture, language and religion ever since their emergence in Fiji. Over the period of time, they have developed a common dialect which gained and established itself as a lingo of the Fijian Indians. I think Dr. Rajen Prasad has made a point on that. It is a very salient point that we are very proud of the Fijian language, of the Fiji Hindi when we talk about, and that is a quite blending language, just like you talk to our Fijian brethren, kaise, sab set hai, sab set hai. So this is very common and we enjoy with this kind of a conversation. So we are very proud of that, ladies and gentlemen. The Fijian culture signifies the togetherness of various communities. The festival of Diwali illustrates the doctrine of equal validity of all faiths. For example, neighbors, friends, irrespective of caste and religion, converse together on the occasions such as Diwali for joy and fun. Those who are from Fiji would remember that the firecrackers were not only played by the children, Indian children, but it was more played by the Fijian children from our Fijian brethren. We're coming back about the education. Thanks to the elders, the Girmitias, who provided meaningful education to their children, inculcated philosophical and divine knowledge to be honest and God-fearing and to understand the oneness of all beings and live the life of harmony in a multicultural, multiracial and multilingual country. The Fiji Indians today carry the same legacy of brotherhood and friendliness. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the jewels of such education which were provided to their children by the Girmitias is a jewel from Fiji, is Dr. Rajen Prasad. Please give him a big hand. We are very proud of him. He had just mentioned that I am from Tangi Tangi, Thabua. It's really, I was born in Thabua and then later I moved to Suva. And it so happened that I know the family. Everybody call his father Ratu Tommy Kalika. I'm going to drive my Vatukola to Suva. And Dr. Rajen Prasad didn't leave that way. Whilst he was after the school, he also drove a taxi, and nobody would believe that he is achieved. He is one of the highest academic in this country, and together with that, I am also proud of that for that matter. Ladies and gentlemen, the festival of Deepavali is a source of inspiration, fosters social and religious interaction. What is here today you can see, enhances the feelings of togetherness to live in harmony as children of one God, one country and one nation. This is the teaching, a message of Deepavali. Please remember that. I also welcome the Member of Parliament, Kamaljeet Singh Bakshi, who is here. Please give him a big hand. Someone has very rightly said, may the joy of cheer, delight and merriment of this divine festival surround you forever. May the happiness that this season brings brightness in your life. Wishing you a very happy Diwali. Please allow me to say the same couplet in Hindi. दिवाली का पर्व है खुशियों का, उजालों का, लक्ष्मी माँ का। ये दिवाली आपकी खुशियों से भरी हो, दुनिया उजालों से रोशन हो, घर पर माँ लक्ष्मी का आगमन हो, यही हम सबकी कामनाएं हैं। आप सबको दिवाली शुभ हो, दिवाली मुबारक हो। धन्यवाद। Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you, Mr. Golian. Now we're going to ask National MP Honourable Bakshi Singh to say a few words, please.
Namaskar, Bula Vanaka, Assalamu Alaikum and Sat Sri Akal. Thanks for inviting me to this Diwali event in Papatoetoe. Can I acknowledge my parliamentary colleagues Ross Robertson and Dr. Rajendra Prasad and other dignitaries present on the stage. First of all, my apologies, I am a little bit late because of the last event, but it is good to see New Zealand has become a very diverse country. Harnam Singh Golianji, former Member of Parliament from Fiji, has very well explained the importance of Diwali in our culture and our society. I would like to say that New Zealand has become a diverse country. We have got almost 200 different ethnicities living here, and the fabric of New Zealand has been woven by their contribution, their culture, and we are really lucky to have those ethnicities and their contribution to our economy. Once again, I would like to wish Happy Diwali to all of you, and I hope that the New Year, the Hindu New Year, will be prosperous and successful for all of you. आप सबको दिवाली की शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much. And just to brighten up the night, as you know I can do, I'm going to welcome our next guest in my native language, which is South African, Afrikaans. So hang on tight, because here we go. I would like to welcome now Shakila Morganen in Sayers Fun, die Moedersklap in Papatoetoe. Welkom.
Kaumatua Ellen Kukatai, Honorable Mr. Robertson, Honorable Dr. Prasad, Honorable Bakshi Singh, Councillor Ian McGeechy, Mrs. McGeechy, Mr. Golian, President of the Papatoetoe Senior Citizens, Mr. Das and Mrs. Das. Namaste, good evening to you all. I am very proud to be given an opportunity to be here with all of you this evening. I am privileged to say a few words about the Papatoetoe Shakti Mothers Club. As you have heard that I am the president of the club. This is just a brief history of how our club was formed. The Hindu Heritage Research Foundation New Zealand felt of a social club for our mothers who have emigrated from Fiji. This was due to the big impact of culture shock in their lifestyle. Our mothers became engaged in earning to cope up with rising costs, helping to support the family. We were approached by the Hindu Heritage Research Foundation, New Zealand, to form a mothers club so that our mothers have some time to get together and socialize with one another, sharing the joy and the pain. Therefore, in 2009, the Mothers Club was formed. The aims were to nurture a healthy, wealthy, and educated family and give our children a better education, a better life. Some of the activities that our Mothers Club are involved in are teaching Hindi language and tradition with culture to our children, religious functions, traveling and visiting places of interest, which we mostly do with our Papatoetoe senior citizens. Join with the senior citizens, we go and visit places, fundraising to help the poor and the needy, budgeting and saving money to have a healthy, wealthy, educated, and a prosperous family. Another activity is to have guest speakers on topics unclear, practical skills like sewing, healthy cooking, dancing, swimming, and slimming, teach and practice unity in the family and neighbors to foster peace and love. We do meet once a fortnight on Sundays from 1:30 to 3 p.m. And during these meetings, we just do some discussions and we enjoy our tea with homemade snacks, followed by our banking for Diwali and Christmas. And that Diwali and Christmas banking is just distributed to the members who ever bank during the special occasions. Tonight, the Shiv Shakti Mothers Club and the Papatoetoe senior citizens have joined together to celebrate this function, which is organized by the Deepavali Festival of Lights. The Hindus have festivals all year round. This evening, we are making another era in the Hindus' Festival of Lights by honoring our most valued guests in this evening's event. These festivals are handed over to us by our ancestors who were brought in the Gurmit system, which is really called agreement. Like most of the Fiji Indians must be aware of what the agreement was and what the Gurmit system was. Our beloved forefathers came to Fiji as the laborers in the indentured labor system, and they were to work in the sugarcane plantations and other plantations. Since then, we are keeping the tradition and culture, and this will go on and on. By saying this, I'm really feeling thrilled up because we are the followers of all those our ancestors. And I salute the ancestors and pray for their souls to rest in peace. Now, this Diwali festival, this is the Festival of Lights, and it is the lights which wins on the evilness by goodness, and like as the President has said, that the light over the darkness, which spells out all the ill feelings within us and within our surroundings. The Shiv Shakti Mothers Club has been celebrating this festival to mark it and pass to our upcoming generations and also to the diverse ethnic groups in Papatoetoe. Now, our main aim and objective is to bring solidarity within the family and within our communities to make Papatoetoe a safer place to live. I am extending my warm welcome to all the mothers who are the Indian origin in Papatoetoe to join the club and see what we are doing. In near future, we are planning to establish a food and clothes bank in Papatoetoe to our needy brothers and sisters, and that time we may come to you for your assistance. This will, we can say, will bridge the gaps amongst us as a community and as a family. So, my dear brothers and sisters, a very happy Deepavali to all of you, and enjoy your evening tonight. This is your evening. And remember the saying, united we stand, and if we unite and stay, we can make a difference. So happy Diwali to all of you. Thank you.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to hear a vote of thanks by Mr. Surendra Lal, and he's the chairperson of Papatoetoe Deepavali Festival of Lights.
My dear ladies and gentlemen, Kia ora, Namaste, and Bula Vinaka. I am given the heartbeat to perform, which is to move the boat of thanks. It is really difficult to do that. People devoted so much of their time and energy to make something success. And it is really difficult task to thank someone, but I have to do it anyway. I therefore have much pleasure in thanking Mr. Honorable Mr. Ross Robertson MP, Honorable Dr. Rajendra Prasad MP, Mr. Ian Megechi, Councillor Local Government and JP, and his other half, Glenis, Mr. Harnam Singh Golian, former MP, Fiji, Mr. Sitaramaiah, President of Senior Citizen, Fiji Indian, Mrs. Sakila Devi Morganan, President Shiv Shakti Mothers Club, Kaumatua, Mr. Alan Kukutai, participating group and performers, well wishers, the donors, ISB Community Trust, Hindu Heritage Research Foundation New Zealand, New Zealand Chemical Limited, Zeal Packaging Limited, Master of Ceremony, Chereza Neil, Veena Raman, and Asnil Chand. And also, not forgetting Mr. Bakshi Singh, MP. You're welcome, very, very welcome. Ramluj Sounds and Dinesh Video Production, Papakura High School, Southern Cross High School, Priest Chandru and Basu, Sri Ganesh Temple, Papakura, Shiv Shakti Mothers Club, Papatoetoe Senior Citizens Association, Fiji Indians, Papatoetoe Community Budgeting Service, Swar Jhankar Sangeet Vidyalay, Shiv Omkar Ramayan Sanstha, and ESOI facilities, Fiji Tourism. People who have worked so hard behind the scene, who had made this program become a success, and all of you ladies and gentlemen who are here to witness this event to make it a successful one. And I can't forget Master Mognan. He has done so much for this program to have a successful night. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart, Master. Finally, I apologize if I have missed anyone, and many thanks to Almighty Lord who has blessed us with everything. Dear ladies and gentlemen, a big thanks to you all. Vinaka Vakalevu, enjoy the rest of the evening and happy Diwali and prosperous New Year, which will fall on 13th of November according to the Hindu calendar. God bless you all. Thank you.
Right, now we're going to have gifts for all of our wonderful guests. words, and I'll say in Māori this time, thank you very much, just as part of our Rainbow Nation and this very, very colourful festive night. So kia ora to all of you.
Ladies first.